In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and switch to manual CPC in Google Ads dashboard. If you've been using automated bidding and want more control over what you pay per click, manual CPC lets you set your own maximum bids, which can be helpful for testing, protecting budget on new campaigns, or prioritizing certain keywords. Start by going to the Google Ads website and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the overview. From here, head to your campaigns. You can do this by clicking the campaigns section in the left-hand menu, or selecting campaigns from the top navigation, depending on your layout. This opens the list of all campaigns in your account. Choose the campaign where you want to change the bidding strategy. It's a good idea to pick a campaign that already has some traffic so you can compare performance before and after the change. Click the campaign name to open it. Inside the campaign, look for the Edit option. You may see an Edit button above the table, a pencil icon, or an Edit drop-down depending on your view. Click Edit to reveal the available changes for this campaign. From the Edit options, select Change Bid Strategy. This tells Google Ads you want to modify how bids are handled for this specific campaign. You'll see the current bid strategy displayed, often something like Target CPA, Maximize Conversions, or another automated option. Open the bid strategy dropdown that currently shows Target CPA or your existing strategy. This is where all available bidding methods are listed. Keep in mind that availability can vary by campaign type. For example, certain automated or goal-based campaign types may not allow manual CPC. In the dropdown, choose manual CPC. This setting hands bidding control back to you so you can decide the maximum you're willing to pay for clicks. If you see an enhanced CPC toggle alongside manual CPC, know that eCPC uses signals to slightly raise or lower your bids. If you want purely manual control, make sure that's turned off. If you don't see it, no worries, just selecting manual CPC is enough to make the switch. Finally, click Apply to save your change. Google Ads will confirm the update, and your campaign will now use manual CPC. After applying, monitor performance closely, watch clicks, cost per click, and conversions, so you can adjust bids as needed. You can fine-tune at the campaign level right away, and later refine bids at the ad group or keyword level to focus spend where it drives the best results. That's it. You've found and switched to manual CPC in the Google Ads dashboard.